up, guys? Welcome back. We're in the car at the start of this video, so you know what that means. Yup, new build day. Let's go. By the title and thumbnail of this video, you already know what we're going to get. So this is going to be an exciting one. I'm super excited to go pick this thing up. I did not think I'd be able to find one this soon because the prices are insane, but hopefully this thing turns out to be a diamond in the rough instead of a rough piece of crap in a shed. So let's go check this thing out. Alright, we're at the U-Haul, so we're going to go pick this thing up. Sketchy makeshift. Got a bunch of bungee cords and steering wheel.
Is it hitting? Is it gone? Do I have a mud flap still?
You might have some spare parts for us to take home before we take off.
What the heck is your problem?
To grab from him before we go home.
Yo, chill out! Are you kidding? Are you kidding me?
We'll find out. Here we go. Oh yeah. We're pulled in. Nothing's wrong with the car, but Numbnuts got pulled over for videoing what's his face doing a wheelie. I don't know if you can see him all the way down there. Alright, he's back. Let's get the update. No! That sucks. How much?
Pretty sure that's gonna be, pretty sure that's 400.
400 bucks. Are you kidding me?
But I know the boys got me on Ko-Fi. Come on, guys. I know you got my back.
That sucks.
Get us back to square one.
Yeah.
So
400 bucks. I'm gonna put that new goal in the Ko-Fi. Links in the description, so we can put that money into this instead of getting wrecked. Oh, that sucks. All right, let's go home. That thing is sick. We're gonna get yelled at by our parents. We have too many cars. Car ride home was a success. Let's see if we can get in the driveway. Let's see if we can get it. Alright, you ready? Oh, sketchy. Oh my gosh. Oh, it died. We are stuck in the middle of the street. So. We are going, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, this is the sketchiest thing. We're in the driveway. Let's go. Hey, she's home. Heck yeah. It looks so good. I don't know, guys. I think we got to keep that red. That looks so sick. Day 2. That's one step down. I don't know how well you can hear this, but after letting it sit for a bit, I think it's just running through some old gas. Maybe it's pretty much on E, so we're gonna have to fill it up with some new gas. Sounds like it's getting a lot of the kinks out. Okay. As you saw in the title and the thumbnail, we're gonna be detailing this thing. We're gonna get it all cleaned out. We're gonna need a bunch of stuff, so I'm gonna run you down really quick everything that it needs, and then we'll get to cleaning this thing. Okay, so as far as the engine goes, it runs, it drives, but probably gonna do a general tune-up on the engine just to get started. As far as the exterior and the bodywork goes, obviously it's gonna need a lot of touching up. We got paint for it, so it's gonna get repainted, and it's gonna be my first time actually trying to do a full respray, so we'll see how that turns out. The wheels, definitely keeping those for now. I might have some new wheels that could fit on this thing, but for now we're keeping these stock wheels because they look so sick. It's gonna need quite a bit of stuff, but a bunch of loose ends that we're gonna tie up. And for the exterior, we're not gonna go that crazy. Probably some lowering springs as well. As far as the interior goes, I think this is where this car needs the most work. It has like so much stuff going on in here. We got the shifter right here that we're gonna need to get replaced. We got a bunch of stuff going on with the center console that I'm not too worried about. This dash here is like kind of, I think it's missing a shroud, I'm not really sure. Obviously these seats are super trashed, and the carpets and the flooring is...
What about the rat poop?
Super dirty. The rat poop, we are gonna leave that actually. I like that in there, in my cars. I leave the extra poop that the customer provides me with. The cracked dash, I don't know if I really want to go into that much of a restoration type deal with this car. I mean, guys, we got budget builds here. We're trying to make things sick, and we're trying to make it affordable so that you guys can do the same thing with your... I don't have super deep pockets, but I do have a will. Where there's a will, there's a way, and we just really, we want to have fun. Are you having fun? We're showing you guys that you can have fun for cheap. So that's what we're all about here, simple builds. So we're gonna jump right into this. We're gonna start detailing this thing. You guys are about to witness an amazing transformation. Maybe we'll do some ASMR for you too. Got the exterior detailed, cleaned up. Still got a long ways to go. Not gonna go too crazy because again, we got new paint coming for us. We're getting rained on, so see you guys in the next clip.
This is all the stuff that was in the trunk, and we've scored a couple parts. I'm gonna have to cancel. I ordered one of these, it was like 30 bucks, and I was looking for one of these, it was like, actually I don't know the price on this, but it's probably more than 30 bucks, so stoked about that. Haven't looked in a glove box yet, but we found some old documents. It dates back to like 2005, Barbara Collins. So, Barbara, if you're watching this, we're taking care of your old BMW. Send me any old pictures that you have. I want to see this thing in its prime. That'd be cool. That's it, guys. This is the end of part one. We got a clean base now. We got everything's pretty much mint. No, it's not mint. It's far from mint. Everything's pretty much cleaned up. We got it all detailed on the inside and outside. There's still a ton of work we got to do. I didn't take the seats out like I usually do to clean it because we got new seats coming. I didn't want to have no seats in it to drive it around for the meantime. Cannot wait to get ripping into this thing. We got paint ordered. We got a bunch of stuff on the way already. We got new wheels already. Stay tuned. This one's going to be super sick. I'm so excited. It's going to be super simple. It's going to be clean. Hope you guys enjoyed this first episode. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more of this thing coming up. We got a ton of stuff in the works. We got so many things. The Fiesta's getting a bunch of stuff done to it. Wheels are coming back. I think they're going to be here tomorrow. So we're going to get the tires mounted on that. Check out the clothing, simpleclothing.co. We got a bunch of new stuff coming soon. Thank you for the support. We got a link now to, it's not a Patreon, but it's called Ko-Fi, K-O-F-I. And I heard it's better because they don't take any fees. So if you guys want to support me, Ko-Fi, link is in the description. 100% of the donations are going straight back into the channel, so I can make better content for you guys. So if you're interested in supporting, link is down in the description. Again, no pressure at all, but it's there if you guys want to help support and you want to keep seeing awesome content. So thank you so much for tuning into this one. Leave a like if you're excited for the E30. I know I'm super stoked. I did not think I'd be able to find one this soon. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. And again, thanks for the support. See you guys in the next one.